everyone. I'm Heather from the Nocatee Welcome Center, and it's Walkthrough Wednesday, and we are down in Crosswater. So much construction excitement is going on down here, and we're specifically in Heritage Trace at Crosswater, and we are at the beautiful ICI Homes model, and I'm joined today by Sherry. She's one of their fabulous site agents, and she's going to show us this great house. So Sherry, thanks for having us.
Thank you for coming.
So let's go ahead inside, only because lots of noise, lots of homes being built in this great neighborhood. So tell us about this model, Sherry.
This is our Oakland model. It is 2115 in square feet. It has 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, and a flex room. The tri-ceilings that you see in here are all standard. There's a lot of standard nice features in this home.
And with ICI, they do a lot of customization, so Sherry will point that out and even at the end remind us about that, because that is a great selling feature to ICI homes that they are known for. Look at that wall.
Oh, that's awesome.
I mean, that is so cool. So this space, of course, you can use it as an office, you can use it as a playroom, obviously a craft room, just depends on, sitting room,
Absolutely.
what your life stage is. And I want to let people know right now, it is silent in this house, and why I'm pointing that out is we just heard a lot of banging and construction going on. The minute I close that front door, silent.
Nothing.
So I just want to say that structurally, what great bones this house has, and just that's a big deal. So beautiful kitchen. So maybe we want to pass this kitchen for a second, only to show these side rooms.
Sounds good.
Okay, so Sherry, take us into this space.
All right, so you're entering in the hallway that has your 3 bedrooms and your laundry room. Nice size laundry room.
Oh,
Very big.
You know I like a big laundry room. Okay, I'm not happy right now because this is so big.
This is huge.
So big for what, 21?
2115.
2115 square feet, and you get a gigantic laundry room. Life is not fair. Life is not fair because I don't have that big of a laundry room, people.
That's huge.
Okay, great size front room. And then we've got a closet in the corner.
And that closet is absolutely huge.
So not your normal small
Not
closet.
your normal
Okay,
small
come
closet.
see Sherry. She's going to open those doors and you're going to go, what? All right, another bedroom. So Sherry, could you take out a wall right here and make this a big room?
Absolutely. If you wanted a guest
That would be
suite
awesome.
or 2 full big bedrooms, you can add another bathroom down this hallway. ICI Homes is completely custom. So, and it might actually be a lot less than you think. People think customizations lead to a lot of money. That's not the case. Come see me, we'll talk about it, and you can customize your own home the way it fits for your family.
That's huge, and I wanted to ask Sherry about that again because so many people come in the Welcome Center and they ask for 2 masters, for example, on the first floor.
Absolutely.
They need, perhaps they have that family member living with them, or they just need that. So thank you for pointing that out. Okay, kitchen. Take us through this great
Oh my
kitchen.
gosh, it's beautiful.
Kitchen, so huge open kitchen. A lot of the things you see in here are standard. The cabinets, now we did upgrade the hardware and the backsplash, which you can choose in our design center. But the sink and everything is standard. Now, this is the kicker. You actually get a gourmet kitchen standard now. So we're not showing this in here right now, but that does come with a 30-inch cooktop. And then your oven and microwave are built into your cabinets in a stacker unit. So that's also standard.
My goodness. Okay, so we need a quick move-in home so we can see that ASAP.
Yes.
Yes.
That is amazing. And real quick, point this out, Carling. I just want to show the distance between that you can, sorry about that, that you can open up.
That's so nice.
Yes, the dishwasher and how much space you have, because that is a big deal because so many times the island is too close to the end. And I just want to, that's, I think to me, a big selling point. So we won't go upstairs, but this is an optional bonus in this exact house. So if you didn't have the upstairs, then of course we would just be seeing straight through. Yes. But I do love these railings. It is beautiful, and you still have plenty of light coming in. So maybe we want to show and talk about outside, because you won an award, correct?
We did from Parade of Homes. It just ended on the 29th for our outdoor feature. So this is another thing that you can customize. We have great people in Design Center that will set you up with, you can design your summer kitchen, you can design a nice fireplace like that. This is an extended lanai, so you can do that, and you can pick the type of screen enclosure that you want as well.
I love that. And look at this, Carling, after you're done showing outside.
Yeah.
And this is deep, by the way. This lot is very deep. But how you can really bring the inside, outside, this entertaining space. This home is calling to have a party. I mean, look at
Oh,
it's
that's
amazing.
Beautiful lot.
It shows very, very well.
Wow.
And then, of course, we're about to go into, you've got the owner's suite over here. So it will already be a very large bedroom.
Yes, and it has 2 closets.
I like the
Oh,
two
wow.
closets.
Yes.
Mine and mine.
Exactly.
Let's be honest. And another beautiful tray ceiling.
Yes.
And you said that's standard?
The trays are standard. Yes.
Great. So we've got a closet here to our left. So right when you come in, and then we've got a way bigger closet even in the bathroom area. Lots of natural
So
light
pretty.
coming in. Again, so quiet.
It is. So quiet.
I mean, that's amazing. So what in here, okay, chose not to do a bath. Could I put a tub in here?
Absolutely.
Okay.
That is another feature. It does reconfigure, obviously.
Yes.
But that's the beauty of being custom. If you want a tub, if you want specifics on your counter space, we can do that.
See, that's terrific.
Yeah.
And I want to remind people where we are again. So we are in Heritage Trace at Crosswater. And what's really exciting, some things that are going on that's a part of Nocatee is the Community Development District is putting in an amazing Nocatee landing. You're literally maybe a quarter mile away from that. And I'll tell you a little bit about the Nocatee landing. That is going to be an amazing non-motorized launch. So if you have a kayak, a canoe, a paddleboard, you're going to have restrooms down there. It's also going to be an entrance into the amazing Nocatee Preserve, which is 2,400 acres. It has an amazing hiking trail, 4.1 miles one direction. And also right outside of this community, just announced, is Crosswater Park. So you will have pools, dog parks, playgrounds, athletic fields, that you will have access to. Anybody in Nocatee can go to it. However, what a benefit if you live down in Crosswater, because you're, again, maybe a quarter mile away from the monument. Now, Sherry, there's something else, a third thing.
Yes.
That if you live in Heritage Trace, why is that even better?
You have the schoolyard.
The schoolyard.
It is a, it's an amenity just for our Crosswater residents. It is going to have playground, dog parks, beautiful pond, and it's going to be exclusive.
Just
which
to
is
Crosswater.
cool. Yeah, absolutely.
So 3 very exciting things if you move down here. You've got Crosswater Park, you've got the schoolyard, and you've got the Nocatee Landing.
People are so excited about Crosswater Park.
I mean,
and the Nocatee Landing.
That's huge.
Yeah,
Huge. So very soon these are coming. Okay, big bonus room up here. We've got a half
Yes.
bath.
Half bath.
But wonder if I want a full bath, or wonder if I need to divide this space.
You can do it.
I can do it.
You can do it.
Again, why? Because I'm with
Because
ICI
you're with
Homes.
ICI. Yes.
Custom Home Builder ICI Homes. So again, let's talk about Sherry. You're going to come see Sherry. Come see her today. She's already
Absolutely.
sold a bunch of homes in Heritage Trace. So to be honest with you, you better hurry. I get it just opened in February, but you need to hurry. But
Yes.
ICI Homes really known for the quality, really known for the customization,
Yes.
the customer service also. I want to point that out. You guys always
Thank
have
you.
a great reputation in customer service.
Appreciate that.
But again, 3 great things just for living down here. But also, you could take the golf cart path. So if you choose to get a golf cart, there is a golf cart double-sized sidewalk the entire way to the town center, which the town center is the heart of Nocatee. Over there, you'll find, of course, still the largest Publix in Northeast Florida. You're going to find the Splash Water Park. You can ride your bike there. There also, you can stay on the sidewalk here, by the way, and we can
Yes.
ride our bikes with our kids or just each other. If it's I'll come down with
We'll just have a bike ride.
We're gonna have a bike ride. But again, you need to move to Crosswater. It is now the hottest area of Nocatee.
Absolutely.
3 great neighborhoods. Of course, we are in Heritage Trace. All large square footage. I think y'all range about 1,900 to 3,000.
This one's 2115,
Okay.
and yes, built. My largest is 2730.
Okay.
Now you can get up to 3,000 if you do those customizations.
Yep. So again, come see Sherry, ICI Homes. We love them. We're glad you're a part of the Nocatee family.
Thank you.
And
Really
you're
enjoy
watching Walkthrough Wednesday, brought to you by the award-winning Park Group, the developers of Nocatee. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.